Premature aging is a growing concern for many. It goes beyond wrinkles and fine lines. It impacts our energy, vitality, and overall health. We see it in our skin, our hair, and how our bodies feel. Premature aging can affect our confidence and quality of life. There are many causes of premature aging. Some factors are environmental, like sun exposure and pollution. Other factors are lifestyle choices. These include poor diet, lack of exercise, and chronic stress. The good news is that we can take control of our aging process. We can make simple yet powerful changes to reverse premature aging naturally. This means focusing on holistic well-being. We need to nourish our bodies from the inside out. It is about adopting healthy habits that support our body's natural ability to thrive. This is a journey about reclaiming our youthful vitality. It's about feeling and looking our best at any age. Let's explore the power of natural remedies. Let's unlock the secrets to aging gracefully and vibrantly. Many people seek quick fixes for aging. They turn to expensive creams and treatments. But true rejuvenation starts from within. Natural remedies offer a gentle and sustainable approach to anti-aging. Natural remedies work in harmony with your body. They address the root causes of aging, not just the symptoms. These remedies are easily accessible and affordable for everyone. One of the most impactful natural remedies is our diet. Food is medicine. What we eat directly affects how we age. A balanced diet can slow down aging and boost overall health. Another powerful remedy is regular exercise. Physical activity keeps us young, both inside and out. It strengthens our muscles, boosts circulation, and improves mood. We cannot forget the importance of sleep and stress management. These are crucial for cell regeneration and reducing inflammation. Natural remedies offer a holistic path towards reversing premature aging and regaining youthful vitality. A balanced diet is the foundation of youthful aging. It provides the essential nutrients our bodies need to thrive. Focus on consuming whole, unprocessed foods. This means filling your plate with colorful fruits and vegetables. Antioxidant-rich foods are our allies against aging. They protect our cells from damage caused by free radicals. Berries, dark leafy greens, and nuts are excellent sources of antioxidants. Healthy fats are crucial for skin elasticity and cell function. Include avocados, olive oil, and fatty fish in your diet. Hydration is key. Drink plenty of water throughout the day to keep your skin plump and youthful. Section 4. Moving towards youthfulness. Exercise and its benefits. Regular exercise is like, well, a magic potion for anti-aging. It keeps our bodies young and energetic. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. Cardiovascular exercise, like brisk walking or swimming, gets your heart pumping. It improves blood flow, delivering oxygen and nutrients throughout your body. Strength training builds muscle mass, which naturally declines with age. This helps maintain bone density and improve metabolism. Flexibility exercises such as yoga or Pilates improve range of motion and prevent stiffness. Find activities you enjoy. This makes it easier to stick to a regular exercise routine. Section 5. Rest, rejuvenate, reverse sleep, and stress management. Sleep is when our bodies repair and regenerate. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep each night. During sleep, our bodies produce growth hormone, which is essential for cell renewal and repair. Chronic stress can accelerate aging. Find healthy ways to manage stress, such as meditation, deep breathing exercises, or spending time in nature. Stress hormones break down collagen, leading to wrinkles and sagging skin. Creating a relaxing bedtime routine can improve sleep quality. Avoid caffeine and alcohol before bed. Make sure your bedroom is dark, quiet, and cool.